Welcome to another edition of His Voice Today. Our topic today is an ancient group of people called the Waldensians. We actually have a live Waldensian pastor here that I'll be interviewing. The Waldenses lived during the Dark Ages. They upheld the truth of the Bible. They maintained the torch of truth, and they were massacred. Somewhere around 500,000 were killed during that period. And we're going to draw lessons for us today, so welcome here. And I'd like to welcome my guests, Dr. Ron Fleck, first of all.
Hey,
you're the English speaker among us, and Pastor Janavel. Pastor Janavel, you are a Waldensian pastor. He speaks, I think, numerous languages, but also Spanish, and so you'll be translating for the pastor. Is that correct?
I'll do my best.
You'll do your best. Now, Dr. Fleck, just tell us quickly, you just came back from the Philippines in cooperation with White Horse Media. There were 11 meetings that went on over there. And
we did. You'll be happy to know that it was, thanks to the Lord, it was very successful. We had 11 different meetings going on. Our eye team gave out over 1,000 prescription eyeglasses. We had 10 people trained as medical missionaries.
Wonderful.
And the last Sabbath we were there, over 300 people baptized.
Fantastic.
In the Olympic pool there in one of the universities. It was thrilling.
Wow, and we've been praying for you.
We missed you. You should
and
have
for
been
the
there.
team. I would have liked to have gone maybe next time.
Yeah.
Now, Pastor Janavel, again, welcome here.
Bienvenido aquí, Pastor Janavel.
Gracias.
And we want to hear from you. This is exciting.
Queremos oír de usted hoy. Esto es muy exciting.
And let me tell you that this morning I had worship with my family.
Esta mañana tuve el culto con mi familia.
And in the past, I've read stories about the Waldensians to my little boy and my little girl.
En el pasado he leído historias de los waldenses a mis hijos.
And when I told my kids and my wife that this morning that I was going to interview you,
Y cuando esta mañana les dije a la familia que iba a hacer una entrevista con usted,
my 13-year-old son Seth, he said, I thought all the Waldenses were dead.
mi hijo Seth, que tiene 13 años, él dijo, yo pensé que todos estaban muertos, los waldenses.
And I
No
said,
todos.
I said, no, they're still alive, and we'll have one today with us.
Dice que no están muertos y hoy mismo vamos a tener uno aquí que todavía está vivo.
Amén. Por gracia de Dios.
So tell us about yourself. Who are you? A little bit about your background, and
Díganos
bring us
algo
up to today.
de tu experiencia personal y qué es lo que te trajo aquí hoy.
Bueno, he llegado aquí con mucha expectativa.
I came here with a lot of expectations.
Agradecido al Señor por esta oportunidad.
Thankful to the Lord for this opportunity.
Y bueno, mi nombre es Esteban Janavel.
My name is Esteban Janavel.
Tengo un nombre latino
I have a Latin name
porque he nacido en Uruguay,
because I was born in Uruguay,
en una colonia valdense,
in a Waldensian colony,
la más importante fuera de Italia.
the most important Waldensian colony outside of Italy.
Allí fueron mis padres después de la Segunda Guerra Mundial.
After the Second World War, my parents went there to Uruguay.
Y allí, bueno, ya había familia y una comunidad formada.
There was already some family and a community that was already formed there in Uruguay.
He crecido en el ambiente cristiano, evangélico, valdense.
I've been raised in a Waldensian evangelical upbringing.
Y cuando tenía 9 años,
When I was 9 years old,
escuché la voz de Dios
I heard the voice of God
en que me decía
that
que
told me,
iba a servirle cuando fuese adulto.
you're going to serve me when you become an adult.
Y especialmente en Italia.
And that especially you're going to serve me in Italy.
Entonces, luego de un periodo de formación
So then after a period of formation and education,
y ya con una familia formada,
with already a family,
voy a Italia a servir a Dios.
I went to Italy to serve God.
Y he tenido también otras experiencias en el campo pastoral y misionero.
I've had experiences in being a pastor
También en Uruguay, en
in
Argentina,
Uruguay, in Argentina,
en Bolivia.
in Bolivia,
Y también, obviamente, en Italia,
and obviously also in Italy.
en Croacia y en,
In Croatia.
Suiza.
And
And
Switzerland.
these are all Waldensian churches, is that
Todos
correct?
son iglesias waldenses.
En algunas sí y
Some of them,
en
yes.
otras comunidades.
And other ones not.
Sí.
And what about the most recent, I understand you have quite a history of, you were a Waldensian or still are,
Entiendo que antes era waldense y ahora todavía es, pero ¿qué?
and then
Claro.
you left the
Sí.
Y
Waldensian.
dejó los waldenses.
Explicar la historia valdense es bastante complejo.
He said it's complicated to explain the Waldensian history.
Como ustedes bien saben, es la historia de un pueblo iglesia por más de un milenio.
It's a story of a church that's over 1,000 years old.
Entonces se pueden dividir en 3 o 4 grandes etapas.
So you can divide the history of the Waldenses into about 3 or 4 stages.
Y eso es, bueno, hablar de historia y de muchos eventos que sucedieron.
So that's if you talk about the history and many events that took place.
Pero cuando hablamos del valdismo hoy día,
But when you talk about the Waldenses today,
especialmente desde mitad del siglo XX hasta hoy día,
especially since the middle of the 20th century until today,
es una realidad completamente distinta
it's a completely different situation, reality.
a lo que fue la historia del pasado y la herencia espiritual.
It's way different than the spiritual heritage and the history in the past.
Right, yeah, let him know. I went to Italy one time and I visited Torre Pellice.
Él dice que sí ha visitado a Italia una vez y en Torre Pellice también.
Ujú.
Which is that still the headquarters of the Waldenses?
Todavía es como el lugar más central de los waldenses.
Sí,
Yes.
Torre Pellice es considerada la capital
It's
valdense.
considered the capital of the Waldenses.
Right, and when I went there, I learned a lot about the people and the
Y
past.
cuando llegué ahí, aprendí mucho acerca del pueblo y de la historia del pasado.
Sí, el pasado está muy presente porque es un testimonio vivo.
Said the past is actually present because it's a living testimony.
Y de este testimonio del pasado podemos aprender mucho
Because and with this history of the past, we can learn a lot.
y es lo que personalmente Dios me ha mostrado a mí.
And that's what personally God has shown to me.
Usando la historia del pasado,
Using the history of the past,
Dios me ha llevado a tomar decisiones muy importantes en mi vida,
God has brought me to take many important decisions in my life,
renunciando a muchas otras cosas.
renouncing many other things.
Hoy me encuentro ya de hace 4 años
Now I find myself for 4 years
cristalizando un proyecto de Dios
crystallizing a project of God,
que es predicar al mismo pueblo valdense
which is to preach to the actual Waldensian people
una verdad que es tan profunda y actual,
a truth which is very deep and is actual truth,
pero que no se conoce más.
but they don't know anything about it.
Yeah, let me just bring some of the viewers into this that maybe they don't understand. I've read quite a bit about the Waldenses. You've probably seen this book, Wiley's book, History of the
Yeah,
Waldenses,
that's chapter 16 of his big book. Yeah,
Fox's Book of Martyrs.
Es el libro de los mártires. De
Has a
Fox.
whole chapter, chapter 4, on the papal persecutions and the persecutions of the brave Waldensians.
Tiene un capítulo 4 en este libro acerca de la persecución de los waldensianos.
And then I think you've read The Great
Y
Controversy.
esta es la gran
Yes.
controversia. Yeah.
This morning I read
Sí, la he leído.
chapter 4
he says, yes, I've read it, and
Él dice que esta mañana leyó el capítulo 4
about the
de los
Waldenses,
waldenses.
18 pages.
18 páginas.
Sí.
Esta mañana leyó.
Esta mañana.
When I was there, I think it was 1993,
Cuando estuve ahí, creo que fue en 1993,
I was touring Europe,
estuve viajando por toda Europa
and I went to Torre Pellice,
y fui a Torre Pellice
and I met a Waldensian man whose wife was a tour guide.
y conocí a un señor waldense que su esposa es guía turística.
Ajá.
So she took me up into the mountains and showed me the cave where the Waldensians
Me
hid.
llevó a las montañas y me mostró la cueva donde escondieron ahí
And I learned a lot.
y aprendí mucho.
And at one point I pulled out of,
Esa tarea la estoy haciendo yo ahora.
he said that's exactly what he's doing now.
and at one point
Yes.
I pulled out of my pocket a small pocket New Testament.
En cierto punto saqué un Nuevo Testamento de mi bolsa
and I opened up to Revelation chapter 12.
y abrí al capítulo 12 de Apocalipsis, Revelación.
He probably knows this chapter well.
Estoy seguro que conoces bien este capítulo.
Verse 1 talks about a woman clothed with the sun,
El primer versículo habla acerca de una mujer que está vestida con el sol
and then it talks about how this woman is being persecuted by the dragon.
y en ese capítulo habla cómo el dragón está persiguiendo a la mujer.
And of course, the woman represents God's
Y
church.
por supuesto sabemos que la mujer representa a la iglesia de Dios.
And then verse 6 says, the woman fled into the
Y el
wilderness.
versículo 6 dice que la mujer se fue al desierto.
And verse 14 says, the woman was given 2 wings of a great eagle.
Y en el verso 14 dice que la mujer se le dio 2 alas como águila
That she might fly into the wilderness
para que pudiera ir al desierto,
because she was being persecuted by the dragon.
porque el dragón lo estaba persiguiendo.
And I told this woman
Yo hablé a la mujer, esta guía turística,
that we believe
que nosotros pensamos
that the Waldensians of the Dark Ages,
que los waldenses de los siglos oscuros,
that they were part of the woman who fled into the wilderness.
que ellos eran parte de este grupo de la iglesia pura de la mujer que fueron al desierto,
Because the Waldenses were being persecuted by the armies of Rome.
porque los waldenses había persecución por los ejércitos de Roma,
Because the Waldensians didn't believe in the authority of the Pope.
porque no creyeron en la autoridad del Papa,
They believed in the Bible.
creyeron en la Biblia,
They believed that Jesus was our only mediator.
pensaron que Dios es nuestro único mediador,
And many of them even kept the seventh-day Sabbath.
y muchos de ellos guardaban el día sábado, el séptimo día,
And they were fiercely persecuted
y lo persiguieron muy fuertemente
and massacred.
y
Yes.
matados.
Sí.
And so I said to this woman,
Entonces yo le dije a la mujer,
I said to the woman, I said, we believe that your people were part of the woman who fled into the wilderness.
nosotros creemos que ustedes fueron parte de la mujer que fueron al desierto.
And she looked at me and she shocked me.
Y ella me vio y
No
me
entendió.
sorprendió.
She said, I've never heard that before.
Nunca he oído esto antes.
Nunca. No, es
And
cierto.
then she said, our people live for today.
Y no lo van a oír.
He said they won't hear it either.
Y entonces ella dijo, nuestra gente vive por hoy.
Sí.
And that told me that the modern Waldenses have completely lost touch with their heritage.
Esto me dio cuenta de que los waldenses modernos han perdido completamente el sentido del pasado.
Es triste decirlo, pero
It's sad to say.
es parte de una realidad.
It's part of reality.
La iglesia evangélica valdense
The evangelical church of the Waldenses
es la iglesia evangélica más antigua del cristianismo.
is the oldest evangelical church of Christianity.
Pero quiero decir también
I'd
que
also like to say
hay muchos
there are many
valdenses
Waldenses,
que tienen un corazón sensible para Dios.
but many of them have a very sensitive heart for God.
Y son personas que están en la ignorancia,
These are people that are in ignorance,
pero tienen curiosidad de conocer.
but they are curious to know.
Lo importante es tener la gracia de Dios para revelarles la verdad.
The important thing is to have God's grace to be able to reveal to them the truth.
Porque la institución,
Because the institution,
que es una iglesia de las llamadas iglesias históricas,
because it's an institution of one of the historical churches,
al mismo modo que todas las otras iglesias históricas que vienen de la Reforma, han perdido el rumbo.
just like many of the other churches of the Reformation, they have lost their way.
Haciendo compromiso con el mundo,
They've made compromise with the world,
sentándose a la mesa del ecumenismo.
sitting down at the table of ecumenism.
Y entonces esto sí, seguramente es parte de nuestro dolor como
This is part of our pain.
como descendientes de valdenses,
As a descendant of the Waldenses, this is part of our pain.
pero a su vez es un desafío que Dios nos permite vivir,
But this is something that God has said we have to live with,
en poder darnos cuenta de la diferencia
so we can see the difference.
y y predicar con las fuerzas que Dios nos da.
and to preach with the strength that God gives us.
Sin duda que no somos bien apreciados ni aceptados.
Without any doubt, we're not really appreciated sometimes.
Y esa es nuestra misión en este momento.
And that's our mission right now.
Yeah, I'm sure he knows this,
Estoy seguro que sabes
but White Horse Media
que el White Horse Media
and Seventh-day Adventists,
y los adventistas del séptimo día
we still teach Daniel and Revelation,
todavía estamos predicando y enseñando del libro de Daniel y Revelación,
and the truths that the ancient Waldensians and many of the reformers used to believe.
y estamos enseñando todavía las verdades que los reformadores, los reformistas, muchos de ellos creyeron lo mismo.
¿Sí?
We still believe that the little horn of Daniel 7,
Todavía pensamos que el cuerno pequeño de Daniel 7,
the man of sin of 2 Thessalonians 2,
el hombre de pecado de Tesalonicenses capítulo 2,
the beast of Revelation 13:1,
sí, el beast, ¿cómo se llama? El animal
Ujú.
Which
La
one?
bestia.
13:1,
La
Revelation
bestia
13:1,
de Revelación 13:1
and Revelation chapter 17
y el capítulo 17 de
that
Apocalipsis,
describes a woman drunk with the blood of the saints.
que describa a la mujer que está intoxicada con la sangre de los santos.
We still believe that those prophecies apply to the Roman Catholic Church system.
Todavía pensamos y creemos que estas profecías se pueden aplicar al sistema de catolicismo romano.
Right? Not the individual people and
No,
members,
no la gente, no los miembros, pero el sistema.
El sistema.
but the system.
Ujú.
Sí, es-
And that's what the reformers used to believe.
Y eso es igual como pensaron los reformadores.
And the prophecies tell us that the beast in Revelation 13, verse 7, would make war with the saints.
La profecía dice en Revelación 13:7 que iban a hacer guerra contra los santos, el dragón.
And that happened during the
Bestia.
Dark Ages.
Y eso fue lo que pasó durante los siglos oscuros.
And part of the fulfillment of that prophecy was when the papal armies persecuted the Waldensians.
Y una aplicación de esa profecía se cumplió cuando estaban haciendo persecución de los ejércitos romanos contra los waldenses.
And you're saying that the Waldensians of today have pretty much lost that history.
Y usted estás diciendo que ahora muchos de ellos han perdido esta historia, no conocen esta aplicación de profecía.
hay que diferenciar
We have to
en la
differentiate
historia valdense.
the Waldensian history.
El movimiento valdense se extiende por gran parte de Europa
The Waldensian movement extended all over Europe,
en el siglo XII, siglo XIII.
especially in the 12th and 13th century.
Luego viene la gran persecución
Then was the great persecution.
y en un cierto momento,
In a certain moment,
hay inicios del 1500,
in 1500,
los únicos valdenses que existían
at the beginning of the 15th century, the only Waldenses that were still living,
eran solo aquellos que vivían en los llamados valles valdenses,
the only ones that were still there were the ones that were living in these Waldensian valleys that we've been talking about.
que es ese territorio geográfico que conocemos hoy día.
That's the geographical area that we know today.
De esas familias
From those families,
se va tramandando la fe de generación en generación.
Se fue degenerando.
No, se fue transmitiendo
Oh.
la fe.
so from these families in the valleys, the faith was being transmitted on and on from one generation to the other.
Entonces, los que provenimos en herencia de estas familias,
Those of us that descended from these families,
podemos decir que somos descendientes de estos valdenses
you
originales.
can say that we are actually descendants of these original Waldenses.
Cuando el pueblo valdense recibe la libertad,
When the Waldensian people received their liberty
en 1848,
in 1848,
la iglesia se abre, sale al mundo y evangeliza.
the church went out and evangelized throughout the world.
Y esto trajo a que muchas otras personas entraran en la iglesia.
And this resulted in many people coming into the church, other people.
Esto fue avanzando
This was advancing and kept on happening.
y sucede un efecto contrario
And there was a contrary effect that happened.
de los años 70 en adelante,
from 1870, from
1970,
1970 on,
la iglesia se empieza a despoblar, la gente se va, no vuelve.
the church just started disappearing,
Entonces la iglesia,
disbanding.
abrazando la teología liberal,
So the church started embracing liberal theology,
se abre al mundo,
open to the world,
invitando a venir a la iglesia
inviting the world to come into the church
con un mensaje liviano,
with a different liberal message.
un mensaje que no invita más al arrepentimiento y al cambio.
This message does not invite repentance and change.
Y eso hace que la iglesia se pueble de gente que no se convirtió nunca.
And so this has resulted in the fact that many people in the church have never been converted.
Y muchos de los altos dirigentes de hoy día
Many of the high up leaders in the church today
son personas que no tienen un origen valdense
are people that don't even have an origin in Waldensian history.
y ni siquiera tienen una conversión.
They haven't even been converted.
Los pastores que se forman hoy día,
Many of the pastors today,
al 99% no son convertidos.
99% of them aren't even converted.
Es como quien elige hacer una carrera nada más.
They're just making a career out of being a pastor.
It's very sad. It's like many of the Protestant churches
Es
today.
igual como hay muchas de las iglesias protestantes
Exacto.
hoy.
And
Es parte de de la vieja guardia protestante que no respeta más las razones de la reforma.
Yeah. So what's happening is many of these Protestants don't even respect the beliefs and the reasons for the Reformation.
that's right. And this history has been repeated over and over again.
Esta historia se ha repetido muchas veces.
Es cíclica, ¿verdad?
Es cyclical.
Right.
Cyclical.
In 2 Thessalonians chapter 2,
En
verse
2
3,
Tesalonicenses 2:3,
Paul talked about a falling away
Pablo habla de que van a caer afuera de la iglesia
and an
y
apostasy
una apostasía
that would come into
que
Christianity.
iba a venir a la iglesia cristiana.
Ya. Y en base a esto que estaba diciendo,
And just what you were just saying,
por ejemplo,
for example,
en una ocasión hablaba con un pastor
one time I was talking with a pastor
que por unos años tuvo el cargo máximo valdense, que es el de moderador.
he was one of the top Waldensian pastors. He was a moderator, actually.
Él me dijo,
He told me,
del Apocalipsis no hablamos,
he said, we don't talk about Revelation.
la gente se asusta,
He says, the people get afraid.
entonces no hablamos de eso.
So we don't talk about the Revelation.
¿Sí? Hablamos del amor.
We talk about love.
Yeah, and it's very common. If you look at the history of the early church,
Es
there
muy
was an
común.
apostasy
Si vemos la historia de la iglesia primitiva
Sí.
en apostasía,
which led to the Dark Ages.
y esto fue lo que causó los siglos oscuros.
Sí, sí.
And then there were the Waldensians and the Albigenses and others who were faithful at that time.
Entonces los waldensianos y también en los albienses fueron muy fieles en esos días,
But they have drifted away as well.
pero también muchos de ellos han
Sí.
salido
And
también.
it's the same thing with many of the mainline Protestant churches.
Es igual con muchas de las iglesias común y corrientes
Exacto.
They
evangélicas
came out during the Reformation. They left the Roman Catholic Church,
que salieron en la reforma de la iglesia católica,
and they wanted to get back to the Bible,
querían regresar a la Biblia,
back to Jesus,
otra vez a Jesús,
back to truth,
regresando a la verdad.
and they understood Bible prophecy too,
Entendieron la profecía de la Biblia,
or at least a lot of
y
prophecy.
muchas de las profecías por lo menos.
And many of them have lost sight of their roots as well.
Y muchos de ellos también han perdido la vista de sus raíces.
So what White Horse Media is all about,
Entonces lo que nosotros aquí en White Horse Media estamos haciendo,
and what the Seventh-day Adventist movement is all about,
y el movimiento de los adventistas del séptimo día,
is continuing to hold the torch
es tratando de mantener la torcha, ¿verdad?
Exacto.
and calling people back to the Bible,
Y llamando a la gente que regresan a la Biblia,
back to Jesus,
Exacto.
otra vez regresar a Jesús,
back to the Ten Commandments,
otra vez a los 10
Amén.
mandamientos,
and back to the Sabbath,
y otra vez al sábado.
and back to Bible prophecy, which explains all these things.
Y también a las profecías, que regresan a las profecías, porque ahí se explica todo.
Ahí se explica. Lo extraordinario de la historia valdense
See, the extraordinary part of the history of the Waldenses
es que fue un pueblo iglesia que se mantuvo fiel
it was a very faithful group, a church,
a causa de lo difícil de los tiempos.
because of the difficulty of the times they were living in. They were very faithful.
Y no fue simplemente la dificultad o la prueba de un periodo.
It wasn't just a difficulties from one period of time.
Fue la prueba durante siglos y durante muchas generaciones.
It was trials and tribulations for many times and many generations.
Lo extraordinario es que cómo ellos pudieron transmitir esa fe y esa pasión
The
a través
outstanding-
de las generaciones.
The outstanding thing is how they were able, through all those difficulties, to transmit their beliefs and the truths throughout their generations.
No es la dificultad de un momento específico en la historia.
It's not just one little difficult time in their history.
Fueron muchos siglos,
Many centuries of terrible persecutions.
algunos de clandestinidad,
Sometimes secretly,
otros de persecución directa
sometimes with actual persecutions,
y otros de opresión.
and sometimes with oppression.
Y en medio de todas esas
In
circunstancias
spite of all those circumstances,
nos han dejado un legado de fe inmenso,
they've given us an immense legacy of faith.
That's right.
inmenso.
Immense.
Sabemos bien que cuando hablamos de historia,
We know when we talk about history,
la historia se transmite por tres grandes patrones.
the history is transmitted by three great,
como patrones.
Por tres grandes testigos
the history is transmitted through three great testimonies
o modos, ¿no?
or methods.
La historia la encontramos en lo que está escrito,
What is written history,
en la arqueología
in archaeology,
y en la historia oral.
in the oral history.
Y nosotros tenemos esos tres periodos en la historia valdense,
And we have these three different types of history in the Waldensian.
algunos más fuertes que otros,
Some stronger than others,
pero tenemos una fuerte presencia de legado oral
we have a real strong oral tradition
que no muchos conocen.
that many people don't know.
Y eso lo encontramos aún hoy día en las personas más ancianas.
And this we find in the real oldest Waldensian people. They still have the oral history.
Y estudiando y viendo, por ejemplo, las confesiones de fe antiguas.
Also, while we're studying the confessions and testimonies of faith in the ancient people.
Por ejemplo, la confesión de fe valdense de 1655.
So in
55.
1655, the great faith testimony of faith.
Es el mismo año que los valdenses sufren una gran masacre.
That was the very same year they came out with that declaration of faith, but that was the very year that they had the big massacre, 1655.
Y es una confesión de fe absolutamente bíblica
It's a biblical confession of faith
y basada en los profetas y en los apóstoles.
based on the prophets and the apostles.
Y esto nos da a entender algo muy claro.
This shows us something very clear.
Dios a través de los tiempos lo hizo con el pueblo de Israel
God, throughout the period of history, He did it with the people of Israel.
y lo ha hecho en la historia de la iglesia.
He's done it all through the history of the church.
Dios a través de los tiempos va a usar los corazones que están dispuestos a llevar esa antorcha, que es
God
de la
uses
verdad.
the people in that time whose hearts are willing to carry the torch forward.
Y hemos visto incluso
We've also seen, including
contemporáneamente,
contemporaneously,
que gran parte del cristianismo
the greatest part of Christianity
observa con demasiado énfasis el presente, aquí.
they mostly are observing and paying attention to what's happening right now.
Y nos afanamos por tratar de tener una mejor vida aquí.
And we're just trying to have a better life here.
Y en cambio la Biblia nos invita a mirar las cosas de arriba,
But the Bible tells us we should be looking at the things that are above
a observar lo que Él ya tiene predeterminado para el futuro.
and to observe and to look at what He has for us in the future.
Y la mayoría de la corriente que viene de la Reforma no toma ese concepto.
And most of the churches that came from the Reformation, they're not following this concept.
Se ocupan de mejorar el presente
They're only trying to improve the present
sin prepararse para el futuro.
without preparing for the future.
Now tell me, at some point as a Waldensian pastor, you learned about the Sabbath.
Dígame, en cierto punto de su experiencia como pastor, aprendió algo del sábado.
Sí,
And you learned that many of your ancestors also kept the Sabbath.
Y aprendiste que muchos de tu familia en el pasado, de los waldenses, guardaban el sábado.
sí, es cierto.
That's true.
Es muy interesante
It's
porque
very interesting.
cuando yo era niño,
When I was a boy,
mi padre me hablaba
my father would talk to me,
de muchas
tell
cosas
me many things.
y me contaba de la historia de nuestro antepasado.
He told me about the history of our family.
Nosotros en la familia somos descendientes de un personaje muy importante en la historia valdense.
In our family, we're descendants of a very famous person in the Waldensian history.
Y eso me dio mucha curiosidad.
And this made me very curious.
Y una cosa dijo una vez mi papá,
One time he said something.
me dijo esto, antiguamente,
He told me, anciently,
nuestros antepasados observaban el sábado,
our ancestors used to keep Sabbath.
pero de esto no se habla,
But he says we don't talk about this anymore
porque la iglesia no lo enseña.
because the church doesn't teach it anymore.
Y este tema salió a la conversación
And so this topic came up in the conversation
porque mi padre tenía y tenemos aún unos cuantos primos
because my father has, and we still have, some cousins
que son adventistas.
that were Adventists.
Y entonces mi papá
My father,
trabajó para un primo de él
he worked for a cousin of his
por muchos
for
años
many years,
y este primo de él era adventista,
and this cousin of his that he worked for was an Adventist.
¿sí? Y él me decía, pero ellos se reúnen el sábado,
But he says they worship on Sabbath,
como hacían nuestros antepasados.
as our ancestors used to do.
Y yo le decía, ¿cómo es eso?
And I said, how can that be?
Y me dice, es complicado.
He says, it's complicated.
Y ahí pasó el tiempo.
And so the time went by,
Pasaron los años
the years went by,
y siempre quedó la curiosidad,
but I always had that curiosity.
porque aprendí una realidad
I learned a reality.
y Dios me llevó a conocer muchas realidades evangélicas
And so the Lord helped me to understand many evangelical realities
y a conocer con mucha profundidad la historia del protestantismo.
and to understand very deeply the history of Protestantism.
And was he pastoring a Waldensian church at the time?
Estaba en ese tiempo sirviendo como pastor.
Sí,
Yes.
And where was that
¿Y
church?
dónde era esa iglesia más o menos?
estuve sirviendo en Pavia, Italia,
In Pavia, Italia.
¿no?
And so after you learned the Sabbath, then what happened?
Entonces, ¿qué pasó?
Pasó que buscando y estudiando
So I was looking and studying,
me doy cuenta que cada cual te cuenta su propia historia oficial,
¿De qué? ¿Cómo?
que siempre hay una historia oficial y hay una
Okay.
segunda
He says,
historia.
I came to realize that there are always two histories. There's one history that they tell you, and then there's another history that's the real truth. Two different histories.
Aparte de teología, yo estudié y me gradué en historia.
He says, besides studying theology, I also graduated from studying history with a
In-
degree in history
en investigar la historia.
and in investigating history.
Y aprendí durante mi periodo de juventud siempre la historia oficial,
And I always learned when I was growing up the official history,
¿no? La historia oficial del país,
the official history of the country,
la historia oficial de la
the
iglesia,
official history of the church,
etcétera, etcétera.
etc.
Pero cuando vamos a buscar a las fuentes,
But when I went down to the fountains, the deep fountains,
como hicieron los reformadores,
as the reformers did,
encontramos que hay otra cara de la verdad.
He says, oh, then I found there was another face to the truth.
Sí. Y mirando y leyendo algunos artículos
And reading and studying some articles
y algunos escritos,
and some writings,
encuentro que nuestros antepasados valdenses
I found that our Waldensian ancestors,
observaban el sábado.
they kept the seventh-day Sabbath.
En mi familia
In my family,
existió un barba.
there was a barb or a pastor.
Los valdenses llamaban a sus pastores barba.
The Waldensians called their pastors barbs, and it means uncles.
La lengua valdense era esa aún hoy día, el patuá,
The Waldensian language is called Patua.
que es la lengua que hablaba Pedro Waldo.
This is the language that Peter Waldo spoke.
¿Mm? En mi familia
In my family,
existió un barba
there was a barb, a pastor,
que se llamó Barthélemy Genius,
that was Bartholomew Genius,
del cual soy descendiente directo
and I'm actually a direct descendant of him
por 36 generaciones.
for 36 generations.
Él fue quemado en la hoguera
He was burned at the stake
en el pueblo de Bobbio Pellice
in Bobbio Pellice, which is right next to Torre Pellice.
en el año 1356.
1356.
Y hay escritos
There are writings
de Barthélemy Genius.
that Bartholomew Genius,
Él era un hombre de gran peso moral.
he was a great had moral weight.
Lo mataron por la Inquisición por predicar.
The Inquisition killed him for preaching.
Y de la tradición oral que se transmite en familia,
And so in the oral family tradition that's being transmitted,
era que el día sábado se detenía todo, absolutamente.
it says that on Sabbath, everything stopped, on the seventh-day Sabbath.
Y ellos oraban y adoraban a Dios todo el día.
And they worshiped God and they rested the whole day, praising the Lord.
Eso lo decían mis abuelos, mis bisabuelos.
All my grandparents, my great-grandparents, they all said this.
Pero no lo vamos a encontrar en la historia oficial de la
But
iglesia,
we will never see this in the official records of the church, history of the church,
porque políticamente no les sirve.
because it's not convenient politically.
So the Waldensians have fallen away from the Sabbath, just like the
Okay.
early church fell away from the Bible.
Los valencianos se han caído de la Biblia, del sábado, igual que como la iglesia primitiva se cayó de la Biblia, ¿no?
Sí,
Uh-huh,
sí.
yes.
Now, so what happened?
Fueron muy
so when,
celosos de la
when
palabra.
Pastor Geneville decided to start keeping the Sabbath, what happened?
¿Qué pasó cuando tú empezaste a guardar el sábado? ¿Qué pasó?
Bueno, hay quienes no lo entienden,
Some people don't understand.
no lo entienden. Una de las cosas más difíciles para el ser humano
One of the hardest things for a human being
es cambiar las costumbres generacionales.
is to change generational customs.
Si yo vengo hoy a ti
If I come to you today
en Estados
in
Unidos
the United States
con tu impronta estadounidense,
if I come to you and with your United States mentality,
y te pido que no actúes más como americano,
please don't act like an American anymore.
que hay un modo distinto y más interesante de vivir.
There's a different way, more interesting way to live than as an American.
Seguramente tú te reirás de mí y dirás, bueno, si está mejor, hazlo tú en casa tuya.
And so you would probably just laugh and you'd say, well, if that's what you think, you go do it in your own house and you act like how you want to act.
Y es una de las cosas más difíciles porque es ahí donde el diablo trabaja para crear barreras.
So this is what's really difficult, because this is how the devil creates barriers.
Y para crear no solo barreras, sino que trincheras.
Not only barriers, but trenches.
Y nos metemos en esa
And
trinchera
we get in these trenches.
y nosotros decimos,
And we say,
nosotros
no,
estamos
no,
aquí
we're here in these trenches. You're not going to change.
y esto me lo dijeron mis antepasados y ya no se cambia.
And so my relatives told me this, and so I'm not going to change.
So now you believe in the Sabbath,
Y ahora sí crees en el sábado.
and you
Cre-
keep it.
Creo porque creo porque es no por tradición,
I believe it, but not because of tradition.
porque la tradición no me lleva a ningún sitio.
Because tradition doesn't take you anywhere.
Right.
Lo que me lleva es la verdad
The truth is what takes me
You
there.
believe it
de lo
because
que
it's in
está
the Bible.
escrito en la
Because
palabra.
it's written in the Word of
No.
God.
Now you're
Sí.
you're pastoring a Waldensian Sabbath-keeping church today. Is that correct?
Entonces ahora eres pastor de una iglesia valenciana que están guardando el sábado, ¿no?
Sí, creo que soy el único
I think I'm the only
hasta
one.
ahora.
The only one. And where's that church?
¿Dónde está?
Estamos en Torre Pellice.
Torre Pellice.
It's in Torre Pellice.
Sí.
So if I were to
Tenemos
go there
un-
again, I could find your church and come worship with you on
Dice
Sabbath.
que si voy otra vez ahí, voy a venir
Sí.
para alabar con ustedes.
Sí.
Now, have you been
Um,
opposed by your
¿Ha
other
recibido
Waldensian?
Le han,
Friends.
Tenemos un pequeño salón, gracias a Dios.
La pregunta es que si tienes oposición de,
Sí,
oh yes,
sí,
What's,
sí.
what's
sí.
the worst of the opposition?
¿cuál es lo malo, lo más de la oposición?
El problema no es el sábado,
The problem isn't the Sabbath.
el problema es hablarles de un avivamiento.
The problem is talking about a revival.
Un pastor
A
de allí,
pastor from there,
muy famoso
Very famous.
del valle,
In the valley there,
me dijo,
he said to me,
el avivamiento es bueno,
the revival is good,
pero no lo queremos,
but we don't want it
porque va a traer división.
because it's going to bring division.
Yo estuve 6 meses predicando
I was 6 months preaching
en el 2016
in 2016
en un templo valdense
in a
en Torre
Waldensian
Pellice,
temple in Waldense,
no
in Torre Pellice,
no en el principal,
not in the main one, but another church.
en otro templo que está en desuso, nadie lo usa
In
nadie.
another Waldensian church where it wasn't even being used, it was empty.
Y estuve ahí haciendo los cultos todos los sábados durante 6 meses.
I was there preaching every Sabbath for 6 months.
En un cierto momento,
At a certain time,
el consistorio de la iglesia
the head of the consistory of the church,
me mandó una carta diciendo
he sent me a letter.
que no puedes hacerlo más.
You can't do that anymore. You're out. You're out of there.
Y la explicación es
His reasoning, his explanation was,
es que no hemos decidido
we have not decided
que haya un avivamiento.
that we should have a revival. We haven't yet decided that we need a revival.
Y por eso me echaron.
And so they threw me out.
Y nos quedamos sin nada, por muchos meses sin ningún lugar para
So we didn't have
reunirnos.
anywhere to worship. We didn't have anything
Ujú.
for several months.
Y en Torre Pellice hay una pequeña comunidad adventista,
And in Torre Pellice, there's a small Adventist community.
con la cual inicié tímidamente a tener una relación de amistad.
And so I timidly tried to initiate relationship with this little Adventist group.
Y encontré personas maravillosas,
And I found marvelous people
con una fe muy sincera,
with a very sincere faith.
que no me han visto ni me ven como una concurrencia, como ¿cómo se dice? Como si fuera yo alguien que les va a hacer sombra.
He said they have looked at me and they still look at me as somebody that's not going to overshadow them or anything.
No, nos hemos apoyado,
They've actually approved and supported me
porque entendí que lo que Dios quiere hacer en este tiempo en los valles valdenses,
because I understand that what God wants to do in these valleys right today,
lo va a hacer con los corazones que están disponibles.
He wants to do it. He will do it with the hearts that are willing and able to do it.
Y en mi caso,
in my case,
el Señor quiere que en este tiempo esté diciendo la verdad,
He wants at this time, He wants me to be preaching the truth,
aunque no sea comprendido.
even if it's not understood.
Hay un pastor en Rorá
There's a pastor up in Aurora, which is a little town just close by there.
que es el historiador más importante del mundo valdense.
He's the most famous historian of the Waldensian Church
Es el pastor Giorgio Turn.
in Georgia Tour.
Él ha escrito 45 libros
He's written 45 books,
de la historia
the
valdense.
history of the Waldenses.
Es una autoridad
He's authority.
y tiene ya casi 90 años.
He's about 90 years old now.
Él es un primo de una abuela mía.
He's a cousin of one of my grandmother.
Pero él, cada tanto he ido a verlo
Every once in a while I go see him,
y le he dicho todas estas
and I've
cosas.
told him all these things.
Y él me dice, está haciendo algo bueno,
He says, "You're doing something good."
¿sí? Pero en Torre Pellice te van a dar.
But he says, "Be careful because in Torre Pellice
Sí.
they're going to cut you out."
So you are now a pastor of a Sabbath-keeping Waldensian church. And understand that you both have worked together in producing a series of programs, a 4-part documentary series to help the world and Christians and all of us understand more about the
Dice que
Waldensians and the
entiendo que
lessons.
ustedes acaban de hacer una película para que el mundo pueda entender un poco más de la historia de los waldenses y acaban de hacer esta película, ¿no?
Existe una película en que...
No, pero la película que hicimos ahí con Mike.
exacto.
Sí.
Sí. Esto fue el año pasado,
This was last year.
¿sí? La visita de Mike y de
That was
el
when
Dr.
Mike
Flex.
Avalon and myself went over there.
Y que ha sido una cosa bien de voluntad del Señor encontrarlos.
He said this was God's will that we would meet together.
Y bueno, y han hecho una linda filmación allí
They made a beautiful film there,
y estamos dando testimonio de estas cosas.
and we're testifying for this miracle, these things.
And what's the name of this documentary?
The name of the film is The Waldensians, the Forgotten Precursors of the Reformation. Is that right? The Forgotten Forerunners.
Okay.
I got it almost. The premiere showing is next Sabbath afternoon in State Line Church in Milton Free in
And
Walla Walla.
when will this series be made available on DVD?
Well, we're just going to show it for the first time. There's four hours. The first 2 hours are already done, and they're going to be shown this weekend. We're very excited about it. And he's going to be there for the premiere showing.
Wonderful. Now tell me, Pastor,
Dígame, pastor.
we have about 11 minutes left.
Tenemos 8 minutos todavía.
Tell us about what your real burden is today. What lesson, what message do you have for people that are watching this?
¿Qué mensaje tienes? ¿Qué quieres hacer ahora? ¿Qué pasión tienes ahora?
Yeah, we want to hear from a Waldensian who has an
Queremos
ancient
oír-
history
Queremos oír de un waldense
and who keeps the Sabbath.
que está guardando el sábado.
Cuando investigué un poco más,
When I investigated a little more,
encontré cosas realmente increíbles.
I found incredible things in the history.
Los datos más antiguos de mi familia
The most ancient details of my family,
están en el pueblo de Bobbio Pellice,
they're up in a little town of Bobbio Pellice, which is right close to Torre Pellice, just a few
en el
minutes
fondo del valle.
in the depth of the valley there.
Y salen al año 1205.
And in 1205,
¿Mm? Entonces hemos atado los hilos, ¿no?, de la
we've tried
historia.
to bring all this together.
¿Mm? Y entendimos que nuestra familia vino con Pedro Waldo mismo desde Francia.
We found that our family actually came with Peter Waldo from France.
¿Mm? En el mismo, junto con él o en el mismo periodo,
In that same time, maybe even with him,
se establecen allí
they were established there.
e inician en Angroña la construcción del Colegio de los Barbas.
And they actually helped build the College of the Barbs there in Angronia Valley.
Pero esto es parte de la balanza,
This is part of the balance, the scale
de la historia.
of the
¿no?
history.
Conocer la historia nos hace bien,
It's good to know the history.
nos da una identidad.
It gives us an identity.
La cruz de Cristo es nuestra identidad,
But the cross of Jesus is our identity.
pero tenemos que tener la relación
But we have to have the relationship
con Dios.
with God.
Un día mi abuelo me dijo,
One day my grandfather said,
acuérdate que Dios no tiene nietos,
remember, God doesn't have any grandchildren.
Dios tiene solo hijos.
He only has sons and daughters.
Y no alcanza con decir somos valdenses,
It's not enough to just say we're Waldenses.
no alcanza con decir soy un Chanabel.
It's not enough to say, well, you're a Janavel.
Y creo que no alcanza con decir somos adventistas.
And he says, I don't think it's enough to say we're Adventists.
I agree fully.
alcanza si Jesucristo es el centro de nuestra vida.
But what does matter is if Jesus Christ is the center of our life.
Entonces, hay lugares en el mundo, como en los valles
There are
valdenses,
places in the world, like in the Waldensian valleys,
como en los Estados Unidos,
just like in the United States,
que respiramos cultura evangélica.
we breathe evangelical culture.
Pero de Jesús hay muy poco,
But with Jesus, there's very little.
¿no? Y es eso lo que Dios me ha mostrado.
This is what God has shown me.
Es mucho más fácil para mí
It's much easier for me
andar por el mundo y predicar al que nunca escuchó de Dios.
to go around the world and preach to people that have never heard about God.
Es más fácil para mí predicarle a los católicos
It's much easier for me to preach to the Catholics
que predicarle a los
than
valdenses.
to preach to the
What
Waldensians.
does Jesus say? A prophet is not welcome in his own hometown.
We are told in the book Great Controversy
Pero
that they're actually very, very hard to work with because they're very suspicious.
The Waldensians.
Yes, and exactly what he's saying. It's very hard because remember we were over there. We tried to have a blood pressure clinic in Torre Pellice, and they talked to the leaders of the Waldensian Church, and they said, "No, you cannot do this. Can't even take blood pressure readings." We could have had all the people there that weekend. They were having a fair. They wouldn't let us do that, so we were shut out. Very
Well,
hard
it
to work.
seems like we're talking about a problem with human nature.
Es un problema de la naturaleza humana, ¿no?
The
sí,
same problem with the Pharisees.
Con los fariseos igual.
sí,
It can happen to any religious group.
Puede pasar con cualquier grupo religioso,
Sí.
¿no?
It's happened to the Waldensians.
Y ha pasado con los waldenses.
tenemos
It
que
can happen
estar
to Adventists.
También con los adventistas.
tenemos que estar siempre atentos
We have to be attentive
a llevar la luz de la verdad,
to take the light of truth,
pero que esa luz sea la de Cristo,
but it has to be the light of Jesus,
no la nuestra.
not our light.
No con nuestro intelecto, con nuestras fuerzas,
Not with our own
con nuestras
efforts and
capacidades.
with our talents and our intelligence.
Hay un dato histórico muy curioso
There's a very curious historical fact
que siempre me golpeó mucho,
that always bruised me a lot, bothered me a lot.
y es la respuesta de Pedro Valdo
The response of Peter Waldo
al Papa Alejandro II.
to Pope Alexander II.
¿Mm? Y cuando Valdo le pide al Papa
When Peter Waldo asked the Pope
el permiso solo para predicar,
just permission to preach,
¿Mm? Y el Papa le responde que no,
and the Pope said no.
que la predicación era para el clero y él
He said
era un
the
laico.
preaching is not for the lay people, it's for the priests,
Entonces,
clerics.
Pedro Valdo
So Peter Waldo
le responde
Alexander II,
al sucesor de Pedro, entre comillas,
he responded to the successor of Peter
con las palabras del apóstol Pedro,
with the words of Peter himself.
en que dice, es necesario obedecer a Dios antes que a los hombres.
He said we should obey God rather than man.
Y esa es nuestra verdad hoy día.
And that's our truth today.
A veces nos va a costar todo,
Sometimes it's going to cost everything we have,
nos va a costar todo, pero es mejor obedecer a Dios que a los hombres.
but it's better to obey God than man.
Y creemos en un Dios que no desilusiona a nadie, a ninguno aquel que le sigue de verdad.
And we believe in a God that doesn't disillusion anybody who loves him and is trying to follow him.
Y allí estamos.
And that's where we are.
Les pedimos sus oraciones.
We ask for your prayers.
Y sin duda que necesitamos apoyo.
We need support, prayer support.
Porque una voz que clama en el desierto es solo una voz.
One voice in the lone voice in the desert is only one voice.
Pero cuando una voz que clama tiene apoyo de otros,
But when one voice is proclaiming something, and if they have the support of other voices,
entonces no es una voz, es un pueblo.
then it's a people. It's not just one voice.
So you've learned the lesson to really follow Jesus
Entonces has aprendido la lección de realmente seguir a Jesús,
and the Bible
Y la
above what
Biblia.
man says.
arriba de lo que dicen los hombres.
Lo he aprendido en el área ministerial,
I've learned in the ministerial area
como cristiano,
As a Christian,
y también como hombre y como padre,
as a father and as a man,
porque he tenido que vivir grandes pruebas en mi vida,
because I've had to have some very big problems in my life, challenges.
en que cuando decidimos servir a Dios,
because when we decided to follow God,
el diablo se levanta furiosamente
the
contra
devil
nosotros
was furious and just came at us furiously.
y golpea la familia,
He bruised our family.
golpea las finanzas,
He bruised our finances,
a veces la salud,
sometimes our health.
para que, bueno, dejemos todo.
So we will just forget everything.
Pero si sabemos que el Señor nos ha llamado,
But if we know that God has called us,
lo haremos hasta el último momento,
then we will do it to
que
the
nos
very
dé de
last.
fuerzas.
We'll go as long as we can, as long as God gives us strength.
Cuando los barbas se preparaban a servir a Dios
When the Barbs, the Waldensian pastors, were preparing to serve God
en el medioevo
in the medieval,
y
Times.
iban allí a Angroña a estudiar la palabra
They
de
went-
memoria,
they went to Angronia Valley, and where you were, and to memorize the Bible,
y luego salían de dos en dos a predicar.
and then they went out 2 by 2 to preach.
Ellos iban a estudiar la Biblia solamente con dos ideas bien claras.
They studied the Bible. They only had 2 main ideas, very clear,
Y es esto:
and there was this:
vas a servir a Cristo
you're going to serve Jesus,
y lo harás
and you will,
hasta que las fuerzas te den
as long as you have strength,
o hasta que te detenga el martirio.
or until martyrdom stops you.
Esa era la única certeza.
That's the only reality.
Yeah.
Si servimos a Dios es para siempre.
If we serve God, it's forever.
I've got the great controversy here on page 71. It talks
Página
about
72.
the young people back then, the young
Los
Waldenses.
jóvenes waldenses
And it says they saw before them not a prospect of earthly wealth and glory,
vieron adelante de ellos no un prospecto de gloria en el mundo,
but a life of toil and danger,
pero una vida de dureza y de peligro
and possibly a martyr's
y
fate.
posiblemente el martirio.
So this is the history that we all have to look back on. We
Yeah,
can look back on the history of the early church, the history of the Waldenses during the Dark Ages, and where we are today. You can tell him that.
Dice que esta es la historia y aquí estamos, esta es la certeza que tenemos
Amén.
ahora.
That's right. Well, we're almost done. I'm going to wrap this up.
Okay, que ahorita él va a terminar ahora.
Amén.
And I want to just read a couple verses from the book of Revelation, chapter 12, which talks about the history of God's people down throughout the ages. Chapter 12, verse 1, talks about a woman clothed with the sun, representing God's people. And then it describes a great red dragon persecuting this woman. In verse 14, it says the woman was given 2 wings of a great eagle to fly into the wilderness because she was persecuted. And finally, we have a remnant. Down at the very end of all this history in verse 17, 12:17, says that the dragon was enraged with the woman and went to make war with the remnant of her seed, which keep the commandments of God and have the testimony of Jesus Christ. And God is calling us all to be part of that remnant.
Dios nos está llamando para ser parte de la remanente.
Amén.
He's calling us to look at the
Nos está
past and look
llamando
at where
ver
we
el
are
pasado
today,
y ver dónde estamos
look at the
ahora.
falling away all around us from Bible
Viendo
truth.
cómo se están cayendo de la verdad en todas partes.
And He's calling us to take a stand for Jesus
Y nos
Christ.
está llamando para tomar un puesto para
He's
Jesús.
calling you to take a stand for Jesus. He's calling me to take a stand for Jesus. He wants us all to hold the torch, to hold on to the Bible, and to look forward to Jesus Christ's coming. He wants us to obey God rather than men. So may God help us all to be among the faithful in these last days of the history of sin before Jesus returns.